How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Where do you work?
I work at the hospital.
How do you travel to work?
I take the bus.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly, here you are.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Have you been to London?
No, I haven't been there yet.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your job?
I am a teacher.
Can you help me with my homework?
Of course, I'd be happy to help.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm not busy at the moment.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-1234.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
What's your favorite movie?
I like action movies.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the guitar.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.